Linear equations are equations that can be written in the form ax plus b equals c. In this tutorial, we will look at the basic forms of linear equations and review the steps necessary to solve simple linear equations such as 5x equals 30, negative 20 equals 4 plus y, or 6 times 7x minus 4 equals 39. The addition property for equations states that the same number can be added to or subtracted from each side of the equation without changing the solution to the equation. When you solve a linear equation, your goal is to isolate the variable on one side of the equation. If the variable has a constant added to it, the variable can be isolated by adding the opposite of the constant to each side of the equation. For example, to solve negative 20 equals 4 plus y for y, the y term must be isolated. Since 4 is added to the y, we can isolate the y by adding the opposite of 4, or negative 4, to each side of the equation. On the left side of the equation, negative 20 plus a negative 4 is negative 24. Be sure to carry the equal sign down. On the right side of the equation, the 4 and the negative 4 cancel each other out to leave the y. The solution is y equals negative 24. Another example is t subtracting 30 equals negative 5. To isolate the t, cancel the negative 30 by adding 30 to each side of the equation. On the left side of the equation, negative 30 plus 30 cancel each other out to leave the t by itself. Carry down the equal sign. On the right side of the equation, negative 5 plus 30 is 25. So t equals 25 is the solution to the equation. Try the sample items to see how well you understand the addition property for equations.